you, Mr. Dessauer, this way. Would you require a woman who is raped to carry the fetus to term?
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes.
No.
Pass. That's not a yes or no question.
Yes, it is.
My daughter and I had that discussion.
No. No.
No.
No.
Yes.